Hey, it's Jeremy here, Holley Performance, and we're at day one of the Hot Rod Power Tour 2019 at ZMAX Raceway in Concord, North Carolina, I think it is. All us employees kind of got together and decided we all want to take our own vehicles for once on the Power Tour. So I brought my 1970 Plymouth Barracuda with me. In the last 2 weeks, I thrashed and worked day and night trying to get it all ready for Power Tour. On the way home, my alternator decides to let all the smoke out. And I have a little partial meltdown of some wires in the engine bay and a little smoke here and a little smoke there. My wife looked at me and said, "You might as well go fix it because you're just gonna be worried about it the whole time anyway." And I went ahead and I went out in the garage, started tearing apart the wiring, realized it wasn't really that bad. So I pulled the wiring harness out, stripped it all down, put new wires on it, hooked it all up. Then I stole the alternator off my son's 1970 Dodge Dart, stuck it on the Cuda, fired it all up. By 10:30 at night, I was set, ready to go. Friday morning came, 350 miles later, we made it. So we're gonna have another 6 days and around 1,000 miles of test driving yet to do to see if the old girl can keep her all together.